Hey everyone, today we are going to be checking out the BleeqUp Ranger AI sports glasses. Shipping on these, super fast and efficient. There's a little back of the box information for you. It looks like we have 5-hour POV shooting, premium audio quality, group ride intercom, riding safety record. Let's go ahead and get these all unboxed. In front of you we have the actual packaging. The box came in, you just kind of ripped it open and it has a nice little presentation. Everything unfolds nicely. So we do have some information here. Ride through the wind. It looks like we have a little glass lens cloth to keep them nice and clean. We have our user manual. And then inside this package, we have a proprietary charging cord, USB-C. These right here are for prescription lenses. It looks like the glasses do come in a nice hard case here and a soft case, which looks like it doubles as a lens cloth. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the glasses themselves. So starting out here on this side, it looks like we do have our charging port right here, a capture button, the touchpad, and there we have the lenses with a camera front and center there. On the opposite side, it looks like we also have our intercom button. Trying these glasses on for the first time, and they're very comfortable. They stay right where they need to go. It's a beautiful sunny day outside, and the lenses seem to be doing a pretty nice job as well. We're gonna go ahead and go e-biking in just a moment, so let's get these charged up so we can hit the trails. So setting up the actual glasses, once they were charged, we did need to go ahead and download an app. So the BleeqUp app, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. And then after you add that app, you of course have to add the device as well. So you're gonna go ahead and enable your Bluetooth mode. And of course, it's going to walk you right through all of the directions on how to pair your glasses, turn your glasses on. Once you get your glasses connected and paired with the app, it's going to walk you through a tutorial if you decide, and it's going to walk you through the right temple and the left temple, teach you how to take a photo, start a recording, add markers. Then you're going to go ahead and be able to play music and turn the music up, down, pause it. I could hear everything through the glasses while I was doing things. So pretty neat. So just be prepared to walk through that tutorial because it's going to teach you a whole bunch of things and how to utilize these glasses to the best of your ability. Also, I did download a new update on the firmware. Now that we have everything paired and ready to go, charged up, we're gonna head out to the trails and go for a little bike ride. So from here on out, all of the footage and audio that you hear in this video is going to be coming from these glasses. So of course you have a camera right front and center, and you have a microphone. So anything you hear or see is coming from this camera, not anything else. All right, we're trying these glasses out while we're out bike riding. So really you just have to touch the side. So the right temple, if you just click the button once, it's going to take a picture. If you go ahead and hold it down for a second, we're going to go ahead and start recording. So of course, since these are glasses, anywhere you look, you're going to record. Kind of neat. There's a river over yonder. A little bridge here. Should be some beautiful sights for you. So again, that app's really neat because you can take a look at it, and it's going to track your route while you're cycling, along with the duration of time that you're cycling, or that you're actually moving, and your speed. So beautiful bridge over the river. Of course, your cycling glasses or your AI sports glasses are going to record everything that you're looking at. So it's really neat. You can go ahead and focus on, actually cycling or playing whatever sport you're playing, but capturing those moments at the same time without even thinking about it really. Just a touch of a button. Also, if you go ahead and have your phone with you with your cycling glasses, of course you have that app to refer to know where you're going, how long you've been going, how long you've been cycling, the route that you took, and all of those good details. Let's go ahead and get a side view front view and side view of these glasses. So they are very, very nice. They fit on your head nice. They're nice and snug. They don't move around. I feel like you have quite a nice coverage. The lenses also are great with the sunshine shining in from either direction, completely fine. While I was riding the bike, it was very, very nice and smooth. Because these glasses are connected to an app on your phone, while I was riding, I could hear notifications coming in on my phone. That app is really, really intuitive. It does give you the opportunity to have like an intercom system to talk between different bikers or different activities that you're doing while you're playing sports. So really, really neat pair of glasses. I didn't have any areas where the glasses were not enough sunglass protection. Also, I love the idea of being able to capture shots while you're actually riding using both hands. You don't have to actually have a camera filming or anything. And the clarity of it seems to be pretty good. Thank you all so much for joining me on our little adventure today, trying out the BleeqUp glasses. So these actually do a really great job filming. The audio that you heard was pretty awesome as well. So if you'd like more details on these glasses, check the link down below in the description for all the details, specifications, and of course, price. Thank you again for joining me. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.